back here on Chinoy Star Canada Magic 7 Performance Gala.
Let's now witness our second batch of performers who, like our first batch, are equally competitive and great singers as well. To start off, let's call our fifth Chinoy star, Jason Koo.
Level up ka na, Jason. Baka may lumabas na rabbit sa jacket mo, meron ba? Seriously, it was a good performance. Very suave. Parang hindi ka kumakanta, hindi ka nahirapan. It was good.
Let's now call our sixth Chinoy star, Abigail Garza.
Mag-concentrate siya doon sa pitching kasi natatalo nga siya nung naninervous siya, natatalo siya na hindi niya na itatama, nauupo yung and then mas feel pa, siguro kulang lang siya ng konti pang emotions kasi nga hindi siya makabigay, nawala yung yabang.
Your singing, wala akong masabi. Ang galing mo. Actually, nakarinig ako siguro mga dalawa na medyo off ng konti. Pero it's tolerable. Kasi live performance, of course, you can never expect na hindi ka magkakabali. 100% wala naman. Hindi ka naman kasi keyboard. Boses ka. Kaya, that's tolerable. Congratulations.
It's a turn on, and now our seventh Chinoy star, Jenjen Villagomez.
Performance niya, alam niya, gamitin yung voice niya from natural to headphone, yung switching, yung shifting ng niya. And yung tinatawag na dynamics, nilagay niya ng tamang dynamics yung song, which kailangan alam din ng singer kung paano ka maghihina, lalakas, at saka medyo magagardyoso.
There's some parts, but I wouldn't really think too much about it. You chose the right song, and that's what it will do for you. Congratulations.
Thank you.
And Valerie, we're done with our Magic 7. Let's give them all a round of applause.
Later, we will finally meet our Magic 6 remaining Chinoy stars as one of them finally ends his or her journey today. Surely more than fear and excitement are both being experienced by our contestants, which we will end when Chinoy Star Canada Magic 7 Performance Gala returns.